Anthony Prieto.
Yes, sir. In cause number 2017-0D0-0772, State of Texas versus Anthony Prieto. Announcement of council, please.
David Vandenberg on behalf of the state.
Good morning, Your Honor. Luis Yanez on behalf of Anthony Prieto.
We are scheduled today for a motion to recall the KPS warrant. I do see there's a blank screen that says Anthony Prieto. I don't know if that's your client or not. But in any event, Mr. Yanez. Okay, is that your client?
Yes.
All right. You may proceed, Mr. Yanez.
Your Honor, my client, Mr. Prieto, was placed on deferred adjudication back in 2017, Judge. There was a motion to adjudicate filed 5 months after he was placed on probation in August of 25th of 2017. A warrant was issued right after. It appears that Mr. Prieto did not report and did not follow his probation. He was placed on 2 years community supervision under the deferred statute. Your Honor, he doesn't have a good excuse as to why he did not report. He was going through a lot of turmoil in his life at that time. He had some mental issues. He's on a state jail felony, deferred probation. I'll tell you that he did not pick up any further charges after that. He did go to college after that, and we do have a bunch of letters of recommendation. He did good while he was supposed to be on probation. It's been a while. He hired up Judge Monique Velarde for this case, and we're trying to finish up this case. Your Honor, we would request for you to consider recalling the KPS, and that way we can work on a resolution to this case that will do away with everything.
Okay. All right, Mr. Vandenberg, do you have any input?
Yes, Your Honor, I do. And the court has the information I have, but I'm going to put it on the record here. The state does oppose this motion because Mr. Prieto, he was placed on 2 years of deferred probation in March of 2017 for the offense of theft from a person. He never reported to the probation department. This is 6 years ago, Your Honor. Phone calls were placed to phone numbers that were listed, but they're unsuccessful except for one call, apparently. Finally, in April 2017, they made contact with his wife, and he may have left, it's unsure, the county. Letters were also mailed to his last known address, and a bench warrant was requested. He failed to report for 2 years, March 2017 to December 2017, and January 2018. Finally, he reported in March of 2019. In addition, he failed to comply with any of his obligations. That includes completion of AD community service hours. He's not done 1 minute of that. He has not done the theft counseling the court ordered him to do, and he hasn't paid any of the fees in this, Your Honor. This is a perfect case of an agreement which has been ignored and dishonored in absolute terms by Mr. Prieto. So the state does not opposes the motion and requests that he be detained, Your Honor.
Yeah. So here's the real problem, Mr. Yanez, is that, this case is long past in terms of, and as much as I can appreciate Mr. Prieto coming in and kind of eventually can't appreciate it a whole lot, years later say, oh, well, I'm ready to do my probation now. I'm beyond my ability to do anything in terms of an extension. It really is just time.
All right, we understand that, Judge.
So, what's his criminal history like? Mr. Prieto, this is really unfortunate because you had a good deal. I think it was, 2 years deferred?
Yes.
It really doesn't get any easier than that here. What's his criminal history like?
Judge, I'm not aware that he has any other criminal history.
I hate to say it.
Of course, I cannot access the DA portal because it's a revocation case.
Yeah, let me see if they have anything. Honestly, unfortunately, Mr. Yanez, we're looking at 6 months.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. So He needs to turn himself in. So the motion to recall is denied.
Your Honor,
Yes,
I've
sir.
looked up his criminal history. There's nothing other than this one matter.
He needs to turn himself in, Mr. Yanez. Once I show that he turns himself in, we'll come back on a status hearing shortly, 30 days or so.
Understood, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. We'll be excused.
You may.
Thanks.
Okay. Anyone else ready?
Judge, I have Roberto Garcia, probation also here.
Does he not have an attorney?
No, Judge, I do not show one. It used to be, from what I see, Mr. Anderson.
Go ahead and bring him in, please. There's a warrant out for him.
Your Honor,
I think I read this report.
Good morning, Judge.
Oh, hi, Mr. Escobedo.
Mr. Escobedo referred to the court to schedule this hearing.
Okay,
Why maybe he doesn't have an attorney.
okay. So, but we do have a bench warrant active, do we not?
That would be correct, Judge.
Okay. All right, well, we're gonna need to get him an attorney because he needs to turn himself in. All right, let's get on the record.
In cause number 2020-0D03331, State of Texas versus Roberto Garcia. Announcement of counsel, please.
David Vandenberg on behalf of the state.
Justin Escobedo with the Adult Probation Department, Your Honor.
And Mr. Escobedo, do you recognize Mr. Garcia there? I don't know if his video froze.
Yes, Judge, I recognize him.
Mr. Garcia, can you hear us? Yeah, that's a very bad connection. Mr. Garcia, please go ahead and log out and come back on. And then we'll come back to this case. Is anything else ready?